Saturday, August 8th, 2009. The trek to Bald Knob, Groton, New Hampshire. I thought I saw them on the shelf of the deck, on the railing of the deck. Chainsaw buzzing in the background. Oh, being offered. No. I'll take it though.
Shoots cannonballs. This rifle shoots cannonballs. Well, I can hit them away.
So what do you guys think? We're gonna make it? Noah, Nico, we're gonna make it to Bald Knob?
What?
Will we make it all the way?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah. I have a walking stick.
That looks like that's gonna slow you down.
Why?
Because it's heavier than you are.
No, it's not. Look it.
What do you think, Mommy?
Oh yeah, we'll make it.
We'll make it.
We sold the M&Ms
M&Ms?
and
Maxine, I'll be here in a race where she's holding up.
yeah. We gave M&Ms. They go.
Go!
I never thought of that. It's a good idea.